Hey Earthlings, the first few clips are just birds. I was trying to or crop out the birds in the video of this, and then it's a UFO. Like a slight second, it comes up. It's so crazy that I got this because I was recording the other thing in the sky. Here's another clip of it slowed down, and this is a clip on repeat. This is so crazy. What? This is so crazy that I caught this. I'm like in disbelief, but also hyped up right now, and like, what the heck? So this is what I was originally recording. It was like a perfect shape. It was beautiful actually. Um this is what I was recording because I was mind baffled by me seeing this. And then this is the UFO photo, and then the bird. So people can't say that like this is what a bird looks like in my pictures and my videos too. But yeah.